Your doctor has recommended a rotator cuff repair, also known as keyhole shoulder muscle repair surgery. The rotator cuff is a name given to a group of muscles and tendons around the shoulder. If one or more of these is injured, it can cause pain and loss of shoulder movement. This keyhole operation involves making small cuts around the joint to insert a camera and instruments. The damaged tissue surrounding the tear is removed, and frayed edges are trimmed and cleared. Holes are drilled and threads are anchored in the bone. The threads are brought through the tendon and secured to the bone. The cuts are then closed with sutures. The contents of this video are a general depiction of this procedure and the risks involved. It's not necessarily accurate for your personal situation. Information specific to your individual circumstances is listed in the written consent information sent to you by your healthcare team.